Hello, hope you're having a good day. I suppose if you're here, you're probably wondering about Sonuvita's natural hearing restoration formula. Well, my name is Isabella and I'm here to help you with all your questions. So watch this video until the end to get all the information you need before purchasing this product. To begin with, I would like to inform you that Sonuvita is only sold on its official website. Any other sites that offer the product are not reliable, so I strongly suggest that you make your purchase through the official site, which by the way I will leave the link below in the description of this video. Well, what is Sonuvita and what is it for? Does it really work? It is a 100% exclusive formula supplement designed to address the root cause of hearing loss. It can be taken by people with severe hearing problems, as well as those who just want to increase metabolism and maintain the health of their sense of hearing. It can be very challenging to deal with tinnitus as the noise seems to go on incessantly. This problem can range from a slight hum to a piercing noise that can be highly irritating and harmful. Having tinnitus is a demoralizing experience that drives people crazy. A reasonable exception to this rule is the availability of highly effective all-natural tinnitus supplements. For these and other reasons, the Sonuvita formula was created so that they can change lives. Using a natural, proprietary blend, the highly efficient components have been hand-selected so that together they have the efficiency to revitalize your entire hearing system and restore it to optimal performance without requiring dangerous surgery or spending a fortune on hearing aids and limiting your lifestyle. The formula contains 100% natural extracts from fruits, herbs, and other organic ingredients. Sonuvita's combination of minerals and vitamins boosts the immune system, improving ear health. Here are some of the effects you can expect after using Sonuvita, according to the official sales page. Reducing inner ear sounds and preventing future occurrences. Adequate blood circulation for hearing health. Reduction of inflammation. Insomnia relief. Strengthening the immune system. Increased concentration. Supports mental health. Reduces tension and anxiety caused by tinnitus. Combining the high quality of the natural ingredients used in the manufacture of the Sonuvita supplement and the correct way to use it, it will be very difficult for you not to have the expected results. After all this information, you must be wondering if there are any side effects when taking this formula. According to the manufacturer's and official sales website, Sonuvita's natural hearing restoration formula is made with only natural, gluten-free and GMO-free ingredients. It does not include stimulants, preservatives, or addictive active components, making it safe to use. For these reasons, it does not cause any side effects in your body. And I have one more important thing to tell you. The Sonuvita supplement is guaranteed for 60 days. That is, if you buy and are not completely satisfied with the product, you have a full money-back guarantee. So, thanks for watching until the end. I hope I helped in some way with this video. And don't forget that if you want to access Sonuvita's official website, the link will be in the description of this video.